Hello friends, do you know that Elon Musk is going to be the first trillionaire in the world, and that is because of the IPO of the SpaceX? And if you want to invest in SpaceX before and after the IPO, please stay till the end of the video. There is a masterstroke that has been played by Elon Musk, which I am also going to explain along with the business setup of SpaceX. Now, SpaceX is coming to IPO with a valuation of around $1.77 trillion, which is around $135 per share, which is more than the Tesla valuation right now, which stands at $1.6 trillion. Now, to give you a perspective, the current valuation of Reliance Industries is around $200 billion, and SpaceX is coming at 9 times that of the valuation of Reliance Industries. Now, what are the major revenue sources of SpaceX? The first one is the Starlink, which has a revenue generation of around $11.4 billion. The second one is the rocket launch business, which is around $4.1 billion. The third one is the AI and the deep space data centers, which is around $3.2 billion. Now, let's look at the profit breakdown of this whole business. The most profitable among them is the Starlink business, obviously with 1 crore subscribers. It is standing at around $4.4 billion profit. The rocket launch business is at break even, and whereas the AI and the deep space data centers is going through a major capex cycle and hence is at a big loss. The overall loss of SpaceX in the year 2025 is around $5 billion. Now, because of this, the Wall Street has been divided into two major groups. The valuation right now of SpaceX is around $18 trillion, which is at 100 times that of the revenue, whereas super profitable business like Nvidia is right now trading at 25 times the revenue multiples. Now, everybody says that the fair valuation of SpaceX is around $750 billion, and there is an ask of around 2.5 times that from the retailers, right? But this is going to be definitely superstar IPO. What are the major reasons because of that? The top reason, number one reason, is basically the index fund forced buying. What does this mean? It means that very recently the Nasdaq and Russell index rules has been changed specifically because of SpaceX. Now, as soon as the IPO is launched, the mutual funds and the other fund houses are going to do major buying into SpaceX. If forced buying is going to happen. What is the second reason? The second reason is that the Starship rocket is going to rule the space market quite soon. Goldman Sachs has predicted that the revenue of SpaceX is going to be $474 billion by 2030. Look at all these parameters. This is all setting up towards the success of SpaceX. If you want to invest in SpaceX, it can be done through the futures, and you can do it through CoinDCX platform. Please let me know in the comment section about whether you are going to invest in SpaceX. What are your thoughts about SpaceX valuation? Do you think it is overstretched? Thank you, friends.